Hi everyone, look what I have today. I have some balloons. When I touch the balloon, I can tell it's made of lava. Lava is its material. And I can feel it has tension, and I can see the colors like pink and purple. These are the qualities of the balloons. Now we are going to do a fun experiment. We have two things that you probably have in your kitchen, baking soda and vinegar. We are going to mix them up and see what happens to the balloons.
Let's check out the other resources we need to do this experiment. A tall jug of water, a funnel, paper clips, a measuring cup, a small plastic bottle, small spoons, and balloons. First, take out some staples and put them in a plastic bottle. Then pour vinegar into the measuring cup before transferring it to the plastic bottle. Next, use a funnel to transfer baking soda into the balloon. Remember, shake the balloon very well to make sure all the baking soda is in the bottom before wrapping its end around the rim of the bottle. Check they're attached properly without leakage. Finally, place the bottle and the balloon into the water and see what will happen. Although vinegar is a common ingredient in many foods, it can still cause injuries if we're not careful. We should keep in mind never to drink or touch vinegar with our bare hands. Plus, we should never splash or shake containers with vinegar because if it gets into our eyes, it can result in a serious burn. If baking soda or vinegar spills, wash both hands immediately with running water. And it is a good idea to wear safety goggles. They're not only safety precautions, but also help set the sciencey mood and get us ready to play professionals. In order for this to be effective, children and adults need to agree on shared rules, such as the maximum number of children in each group and what resources are available, what resources are not. Remember, we're doing an experiment containing chemical materials. We need to act like scientists and remain calm and cool and collected at all times. Of course, our teachers need to keep a watchful eye at all times and intervene if necessary.
Now I have a question for you guys. How do you think we can improve this experiment? Yes, as what you suggested, we should purchase a borrowed proper funnel for putting baking soda into the balloon to prevent the leakage of baking soda on the table. We need to ensure the balloon is tightened on the bottle so that we can see the expanding of the balloon without losing gas. We also need to be aware of the amount of paper clips, baking soda, and white vinegar that we need to complete this experiment in case there's an explosion of balloon happening during experiment. As we know, baking soda is a baking ingredient that can be added in making breads and cookies, and white vinegar is a good cooking sauce when paired with pickles and salads. Apart from kitchen use, baking soda and white vinegar are also handy for cleaning purposes. For example, we can use a mixture of baking soda and white vinegar to clean stained coffee cups, clean up grease stains on cooking pot, and reduce rubbish odor by spreading at the bottom of waste. You are more than happy to explore your own way of using baking soda and white vinegar in your daily life.
So we observed that when baking soda and vinegar are mixed, they make a gas, and the gas makes the balloon grow bigger and bigger. However, I can still see the same color, I can still feel its tension. It doesn't change the balloon is made of lava. We can conclude even if some action caused the balloon to change physically, it still has the same material composition. I hope you guys learned this concept with today's fun experiments. Thank you.